It is an honor and privilege to be here this morning to officially open the Sugras Sydney supermarket here in the beautiful city of Lautoka. I note the presence of some of the members of the Lautoka business community, as I mentioned earlier on, and as well as the family members of commerce. Ladies and gentlemen, it is good to be here in Lautoka, and it is great to see you all in attendance on this grand occasion with the opening of this supermarket. I congratulate Mr. Kumar and his team for putting up together the investment and the hard work to make this opening possible. An investment at any time is a great boost to the local and national economy. Fiji now more than ever needs this type of investment. I know that in business, this type of confidence comes from a very careful assessment of the many factors. And I would like to congratulate Mr. Kumar for taking the bold step to invest during the testing period of a global pandemic. Your faith in Fiji, its government and economy, as well as its people, will no doubt reap rich rewards for you and your team. Ladies and gentlemen, while we are aware of the socio-economic impact of COVID-19, we also must look forward to better times and look at ways and means of investing in the Fijian economy and providing jobs and opportunities for all. Investment such as this will greatly help in the recovery process. It sends the right signal, and Fiji is not only open for happiness, but Fiji is also open for business. Ladies and gentlemen, I am told that Mr. Kumar has invested around $500,000 and is providing job opportunities to 39 Fijians. And there are plans in the pipeline to open another restaurant in Lautoka and a supermarket in his hometown, Nandi. I look forward to seeing these projects come to life and want to wish Mr. Kumar and his team all the best to ensure that these investments provide a strong foundation for local economic growth. Mr. Kumar is originally from Navo, Nandi. In 1987, he went to Sydney with $50 in his pocket to upgrade his skills in panel beating at the University of Sydney. After completing his course, he started to work as a panel beater and soon became the manager, and later on he went into the insurance business and became the assistant CEO in the general insurance company. His story is like that of many former Fiji residents who have made it good overseas. And I'm glad to note that many of them, in particular, since the Fiji Affairs government has come into office, have returned to their homeland and invested in its economy. These communities of former Fiji residents, mainly in Australia, New Zealand, USA, and Canada, have been made welcome and made to feel at home in their homeland under the Fiji Affairs government. The Honorable Prime Minister, through his many tours of these countries and official presence in events like Fiji Day, have always reminded these former Fiji residents of their important role in our economic development, and has always warmly told them that they are always welcome as visitors, investors, and even as returning residents in their place of birth. And this has resulted in significant investment from this sector in Fiji since 2014. Ladies and gentlemen, the human resource sector is a powerful driver, indeed the most important driver of our economy, and the Fiji Affairs government has greatly increased the expertise and economic power of this sector, of being inclusive and welcoming of its former residents now living overseas. The government initiated dual citizenship and made it possible through its one-stop investment system to welcome back investors like Mr. Kumar. And this has been the reason for many of these former Fiji residents investing their money, time, and skills into the economy of their beloved island. Ladies and gentlemen, on this note, and in the interest of moving on towards the official opening, congratulations once again to Mr. Kumar and his family and his team here at the supermarket for the successful opening of this exciting new business venture. I commend you and your commitment to come back and serve your people. I urge your workforce to remain loyal and dedicated to this business to ensure its success, and ask that the people of Lautoka and surrounding areas give their full support to this new venture. I thank you all for your presence, patience, and attention this morning. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm honored now to officially open the Sugras Sydney supermarket. Vinaka Vakalevu, Dhanewad, and may God bless us all.